Industrial robots are being designed to autonomously assemble, test, and quality check themselves, creating a self-sustaining production cycle. Affordable and advanced robotics. China is developing cost-effective robots, making robotics more accessible. Additionally, humanoid robots with natural movements are being created to enhance human-machine interaction. AI-powered humanoid robots. Startups like AGI Bot are producing large numbers of AI-powered humanoid robots capable of various tasks, from industrial manipulation to domestic care. Broad industry applications. Robotics is expected to revolutionize sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, and domestic services. China's focus on robotics is driven by a desire for increased efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced technological leadership. The country is investing heavily in research and development, aiming to become a global powerhouse in robotics.